Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a delay circuit out of a 555 timer IC and some more external components. Let's get started. A 555 timer IC, a 100 microfarad capacitor, some wires, a potentiometer and a 9-volt battery with its connector. And here's the schematic that we are going to make. Here I am using a breadboard, and let's place the 555 timer IC to the breadboard. Then we connect the 100 microfarad capacitor to pin 1 and 2 and make sure that the capacitor's negative terminal is in pin 1. Next we need to connect pin 2 with 6 with a jumper wire. Next, we need to connect pin 4 and 8 with another jumper wire. Next, we need to connect 2 wires to pin 3 and 4, which is the output. Then we connect the potentiometer to pin 8 and 6. And finally, we connect the V-in to pin 8 and ground to pin 1. Next, I took the multimeter set to DC volts and connected it to the output terminals, and we can vary the delay timing with the potentiometer. Then I started a stopwatch to see the delay time. And as you can see, the output has a delay of 11 seconds. I hope you have learned something new. Stay creative and I will see you next time.